Well, a young boy in the Southtowns is making use of his skills, taking a bit of excess burden off of his neighbors. I caught up with a 14-year-old snow angel who was trucking along in his town of Blasdell to brighten his neighbor's day. 36 inches hammering the town of Blasdell Monday. But it was no match for this 14-year-old determined to clear the intersection of Johnson and Marlowe if it meant his older neighbors would navigate to their destinations with ease.
I was just trying to be helpful. The saying, love thy neighbor, so I was just trying to do a helpful thing around the neighborhood.
It might seem like a small gesture, but it changed the course of the day for one of Mitchell Tisdale's neighbors who lives just around the corner.
Shoveling, and I turned around and all of a sudden he was doing the hardest part I had left, which was the bottom of the driveway with 4 feet of ice and snow, and just came out of nowhere.
I just woke up. My dad said she was shoveling outside. I looked over there. I asked him if I can go over there and help her, and he said yes. So I got my stuff on and I went over there.
Belinda Bonaquisti tells me that she was expecting at least a foot or two of snow and woke up to her surprise for Mother Nature being extra generous today and doubling that.
It came quick, and it was definitely an event.
Mitchell's mom tells me the task for Bonaquisti's driveway took merely 40 minutes. It brings her solace knowing her sweet snow angel is already making an impact on those around him.
It actually made me shed a tear. You know, you raise your kids to know the fundamentals and to do something that's kind for others.
The sweet thing about this is Mitchell has been snowblowing since he was a young tyke.
Since he was 5, we had a little tiny snowblower that he used to use. Just to kind of like help his dad out, follow him in line.
I like the snow, snowmobiling, four-wheeling. I like being outside. Kind of been a blast.
But for his fellow neighbor, Belinda Bonaquisti, it meant the world.
A great kid, great gesture, and a very good neighbor. Yeah. Really bailed me out today.